Zua kan kalkulahe.
Because you were cute.
Hello.
Hi, Tia.
Pasan tilay. Zua kan kalkulahe.
Let's go.
Let's go to the zoo!
Get ready. Everyone na ready po.
Look at Freddy!
King can walk take on her.
Wow.
Now you can get red caps.
No?
But I'm not. Because I'm
Eh,
angry.
kapay do. Kapay te hi.
Yes.
It's a funny bird alarm.
Ha, hang kasawa video ka.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Zua kan kalay.
Ang kalay. Hello Titus. Ay do toki. Oh, there's such a beauty here.
Kanan cuma.
Tarik sih support here.
That's so cute. That is
Where's the sea, Maka?
Gorilla! Gorilla!
Oh, wakan toki. Wow.
Yeah.
Tiket kencur.
Your tickets in your receipt.
Pakazak lo ma.
Mom, can you give me a map?
You choose. You can't let's go.
I want to go there.
Ay do toki.
Oh, ang ramai kan.
Oh, I see something. I see something. I see something. I want to go there. I see one of those.
Patay ka ba?
This is the ferret. That's the flamingo. That's the
Kazay saom.
Leopard tiger? That's a leopard. It was over there. Wait, what is this? Wait, come here. Stop spider monkey. Behind the wall. Behind the tree. Oh,
Ay, wala pending.
Yeah,
I see one behind the tree. Let's go. Let's go. That's another one over there. I see another one over there.
You have to wait.
I see another one over there. Oh no. No, notice it. Look, Mom.
Nati mata lucu tu pun hi.
Mommy, oh, that is so cute. It looks in my hand.
Hi ngan kap nang hi.
Excuse me. Oh, no, you're looking at me. Don't look at me. That's a dinosaur. That's a T-Rex.
Oh, dinosaur pi hi.
No! That one scared me! Stop!
Kan tinadang sige.
Stop!
Oh, zong zong. Oh, angan ning chu.
That's a baby!
So,
No, let me see me.
wow. Zoki akak zoki mungkir Titus. Kata ni zoki. Wow. Nanti ma vam sarwa.
Sila ta kan
Ay,
nabi ko na ito. Para ko jam lang ka.
ang mình ninh chưa
Here.
yeah khát đi lồng xì
Atang khatle lung ko lai man. Listening.
One more went to her home.
wow hi mình ninh kì chứ ê chúng mình là ê
He don't want to drop because he's too
Yeah.
scared of down.
tengah macam ha wow
Well, you gotta see somewhere else.
khát đi lồng xì câu tệ hi
Okay. Man ko bang
No, we're not going to see the flamingos. Wait, I see that. That can make it sound.
đây thật xì
Mommy, I found an egg over there.
oh
No, I found it first.
thật rộng như cô đây thật xì
There's an egg here. There's a poop.
tí mà ôm ô tí ôm
A baby.
tí lồng kia
The baby will come out.
tí lồng kia
Hey, let's go.
wow rộng ninh chưa các chúng ở đây sao ôm bắt chưa
I'm there! I'm there! I'm there! I'm not fainting. I see one up there.
와를 거기다 다이다 갔어
There's somewhere else.
어, 내 처음 hả
Up there, yeah.
sao cây thịt chứ chúng mua một cái cho cái này lâu cho nhưng hôm có về gì nó 처음
I see feathers on it.
Sorry. You're married me.
와
The lady that her mom had
짜자 아빠네 여기 피스키서 와 까비 cái dấu tặng kia oh my god 야, 나 해보고 가려고? 가서 오세요, 처음.
Hey, cut two man kan sama. Kan ni.
가초네. 가초. 아, 이것은 뭐?
I see your head over there.
이건 또 왠지 그래.
You cannot move right. Western green mama.
그치? 오,
Look at that way. You love it.
그치? 합대 혹시? 용돈.
It's dog. It's dog. That's not the dog.
ชื่อพูดแล้ว
Look at me, kika keso. Cheese, cheese. Na tinazala to zirap ka ng puma. Hi. Sorry, pero pa kung hansiya ko wala.
Those are not giraffes.
Naman yung video sa nagpaglalag ka tek-tek.
Those are zebras.
ها أرول بيخمس أرول شيء أوه خير
We go and they open the gate up for y'all.
Apa kan pelai kan kita here.
Have you guys just sanitized hands right now?
About 100 pounds of food per day. You guys are helping out.
Kapi ni oh. Kapi ni. Wow. Lucin bebe.
Giraffes are ruminants, just like cows. You know, send your cousins the alpaca. They have multi-chambered stomachs, so they will chew their food, spit it up again, chew it a little more, and then swallow it.
No, here.
Kapi zakpi oh. Kada pe. Kan here baby here. Kata dah. Here tata here. Maki pe.
Guys, look behind our giraffes. We actually have some
Kapi zak, kapi zak.
storks hanging
Kapi.
out right front and center. They're actually being fed by their keepers
Wow.
right now.
Then they don't have.
Wow. Ka happy zak. Wow. Ika ai không mo. Oh, ai không lo. Ha. Lama. Ah.
Let's make a YouTuber.
Mhm.
That's really
Wow. Dai tuk lah hi.
We're not going to there. We're going to there.
Susan tuk he, untuk ni hi.
I am going to get some food. I'm so hungry.
Sì. Mai được không mà có chưa hả? Đây sao qua chưa? Hả? Đây sao năm mua? Ồ. Ý, kia tăng tiêm kia. Kangaroo mà xí. Lòng không á. Dây vào tìm hiên xí mi hì.
I see a baby one.
Hả?
I see a baby one.
Ồ, sao thì giống của cái tê.
You guys, I found some. Just back here.
Ồ, phát tê bên nằm cầu kia.
I see duck.
Ồ, tía liều kia.
Monkey. Look, I see a. No, they're actually
Nhìn ninh từ. Phát tê dây sao ôm. Sao sao con
They're so skinny. Look at you. What's moving?
Và tí em dạy con là dây vào tìm hiên xí.
Blue muffle. Blue motherfucker.
Ay, hindi ba tingtik siya?
Ồ, dây khăn xí. Hả? Mamay mo. Mamay pilaw. Baby no kompo te kan pen hi kruchin. No kompo te kan pen hi kuanin. Oh. Ay, mama te petang. Tam chang.
Ai dan.
Tata tam tu. Pha.
Ai dan ke dan ki lo Maria. Ikan ai nang umur. Dia hai nang ki.
No, they're not.
Piti la za tang atam tok. Ikan not
Lo tang.
Barang lagi lah orang kala.
Ko klo pa ngai. Ai dang do roti luti pha hi. Dang ro hi. Hi. Tu zuai pidum ko te hi. Nó chia rất là chia. Nó chi mà thay ra. Nó chi mà. Kakal na lut na yo. Butterfly kan sa ula. Oh, ka. Lungkot ng tong halaw mo. Ha. Lusok. Lut na yo. Ay, ada iko ning si. Tong halaw mo. Ini butterfly pollen siya naksi. Oh,
You look cute, that one looks cute. Wait, why did orange?
tong lai chứ tong ngalo. Hian roll masih mara kasi te hian siap yakti masih. Ha?
Dia bak kisi tika cuma kami cita.
Spider.
Chrysalises, so butterflies emerge from them.
Kete. Katong haun te okay. Kal ne butterfly na kus.
So it can blend in, or I think the little spots on it kind of look like a spider's eyes to me. So it's trying to scare people away or predators away, or it's trying to blend in when it's like on a bowl with marbles, and then this liquid is banana brew that we make for the butterflies. So we blend up bananas and sugar and yeast, and it makes a nice little brew that the butterflies really like. So the butterflies can land on the marbles and drink their brew.
I see holes on the butterfly.
Lutin sa om.
Where?
Those are spots.
What's in the nice thing?
Yeah, that one's trying to be scared. Yeah. That's just up to the butterflies to land on because those are giant owls.
Baby.
So giant owl butterflies. Those are the Texas giant walking sticks.
Ang behal tang hai si.
Were these butterflies in there?
Yeah, those are the chrysalises. That's where the butterflies emerge
One
from.
on the floor.
Yeah, they can lay on the floor too.
I see a big one. What? Isn't the big one in the cake?
Baby ah.
Butterfly.
Why do I do it?
Oh, ang behal pan ko ning.
Yeah, they're eating it. They like their banana brew.
They're eating. Why did they throw it here?
They're just part of the ecosystem because we have all the living plants.
What butterfly could eat? I love it.
They eat liquids.
Ruchik dia kalau kedua
Yeah.
I can take them on.
Ay, wala yung so dahil.
What's up with this? Kabalut ka ulo ka kung naksi siya.
I see something down in the one.
Asaw naksi.
It looks cool.
Aha, kabalut to. Basaw ni ko.
Bro, really no. No, I want to see the robot. I want to see the dinosaur. Bro,
Dinosaur is okay.
what? I already know that's too long. Wait, let's see this. That one is you.
Hala na kung mga. What? What are you gonna do?
I want to look right down.
Japan? Ito niya sa Japan natin kita mo bakal sila.
Japan makan
You say you're gonna transit for China.
I want to fuck him.
Ah, basa ko ka. Ah, friendly to lie.
ทุกคนค่ะช่วยกันพบเจอ We can buy anything เอาพบคนกับไอ้แซ่
Trend gonna cheat lie. Trend gonna cheat lie. No, no, no more.
ไปเรียน
It was opened in 1914.
Hi, guys.
Well over 100 years
No, no
old.
more.
One
Ruchen.
of the first zoos in the
No
country to be accredited by the
more.
Association of Zoos and
Daniel.
Aquariums. It's also been consistently
No
voted as one of the best zoos in the country.
Why are you playing that?
Also on your left is Kitty Park. Opened up in 1925 over on Broadway Street. It was moved adjacent to the zoo in 2019. Ahead of the train to the left and across the street is the Whitty Museum. The Whitty's the next as you get off here, we will not be back to pick you up.
That's not too cute, bro. Hi, that's not about to Hello!
Alright, up here is going to be making a very and out there on your left, that used to be the old horse stables. At one point in time, you could rent horses to go riding around the park.
กำพัดลาเวียมอร่อย
เป็นลอยจังเลยนั่นนี่นวมมาฮะนั่นนี่นวมมา
That's too hot.
เอาทุกให้มัน